What's up, Crypto Crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Mite, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto Crew, Kaspa's time will come. The catalysts are still to unfold. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. Now, in order to make the most out of this crypto ocean, you need to make picks based on conviction and before mass adoption whilst employing long suffering or patience. And not only so, but with glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope.
I want the project to be very decentralized, and there's a natural tendency to form communities around founders, and I hope and wish the community to be formed around itself, and I wish myself to just be part of it. Thanks for everyone for coming, and just consider me one of the crowd.
At the making of this recording, Kaspa is rallying up, stating its course, and as you will see in today's vid, there are so many things brewing for Kaspa in the background. We are early, thus we must prepare. And so if you hold Kaspa, Crypto Crew, protect your assets, practice self-custody, keeping your crypto on a cold storage. To me, your best option is the Tangent wallet, plug and play, easy to use, and at this point, the most affordable option for you. So if you wish to order your Tangent wallet today, you can get 10% off. Link in the description box below. Thanks so much for your consideration and support in advance.
We will have regulations, but from now on, the rules will be written by people who love your industry, not hate your industry. People that want to make it clear and simple, straightforward and fair. People that want to see your industry thrive, not dive. I will appoint a new SEC chairman who believes America should build the future, not block the future, which is what they're doing.
President-elect Donald Trump has picked the new SEC chairman, Paul Atkins, a former SEC commissioner who will take over from SEC chair Gary Gensler, who will step down when Trump is inaugurated as the 47th president of the United States on January 20th, 2025.
U.S. investors are on a lot of platforms basically cut out. You know, it basically says do not enter here, which is, not necessarily the best thing. I think in the United States, we want to be leaders in this area. At the same time, I know that, people have legitimate concerns about fraud and that sort of thing. But, that will always be with us. But as people can put a lot of money into a lottery ticket for naught, on the same token there, we need to balance and allow people who are grown-ups to be able to decide what they want to do.
They're going to get an advocate for the pro-crypto world, and this is the first time that they've really had somebody in the regulatory repertoire, if you will, that's going to be thinking of the crypto world. And so, Commissioner Atkins, because he used to be a commissioner at the SEC, he has actually come out and has done a lot of work in the crypto space. He worked on for the Digital Chamber of Commerce and so forth. But where we're going with this is that, the SEC chair has a really important role because they can put out a ruling, say, the tail end of 2025, giving a little bit more of the color of, okay, here, what are the rules for crypto, meaning if you have a security and you are an exchange like Coinbase, here's how you operate, and you're not going to have this threat of enforcement action coming after you. So you're going to have an SEC chairman who's not going to come after you with enforcement actions like you saw under the Gensler era, but you're also going to have somebody who's probably going to try and create a rulemaking and have a rule of the road so that you can operate going forward.
I think he's very solid. Philosophically, I think he'll be very aligned with the president-elect. But he's a seasoned hand. He understands the need for regulation. He understands the need for regulatory oversight of the securities markets. People say, well, they want to deregulate crypto. At the federal level, crypto's never been, it's kind of been, they've just tried to keep it out as opposed to create a regime where it would be regulated. And ironically, I think that's what most of the crypto industry wants. I think they agree that for that market to become credible and really grow, it needs proper regulation. So I think it's a very solid choice, and he'll be, the SEC will be in good hands with him.
That's right, Crypto Crew. The new SEC chairman is pro-crypto. And amidst this 2025 bull run, this is extremely bullish, even directly for Kaspa. More on that in a minute. So why is Paul Atkins as SEC chairman such a big deal for crypto? A, his pro-crypto stance. Paul Atkins has always been about fostering innovation. He's likely to push for regulation that encourage growth on the crypto ocean rather than stifling it. B, institutional adoption. Atkins has supported initiatives that bridge traditional finance and blockchain, which aligns perfectly with the growing interest from institutions in crypto. C, regulatory clarity. One of the biggest issues in crypto at the moment has been the lack of clear rules. Paul Atkins is expected to bring much needed clarity, especially around what constitutes a security. This could reduce the risk of enforcement actions and open the door for more crypto projects to thrive.
We've got Grayscale and hedge funds starting to invest into Kaspa. We've got Casplex. We've got the Crescendo fork taking it to 10 blocks per second. And you're bearish on Kaspa right now?
Now let's switch back to Kaspa for a minute. If you've been following this channel, you know Kaspa is fast, scalable, the first crypto project ever to solve the trilemma, built on a unique block DAG architecture. Now, Kaspa just got listed by Zodia Custody. This is not an exchange. Rather, Zodia Custody is a major institutional-grade custodian backed by the likes of Standard Chartered and Northern Trust.
Trading and settling digital assets across multiple venues can be risky and cumbersome. But with Interchange, our clients can trade seamlessly across trusted exchanges, market makers, and OTC desks. Off-venue settlement enables secure trading across platforms without moving assets from your Zodia cold wallet. Experience more venues and increased capital efficiency with Zodia Custody Interchange. Redefine the way you trade. Zodia Custody. Crypto custody without compromise.
Zodia Custody provides secure, compliant storage solutions for digital assets. Their decision to support Kaspa is a huge vote of confidence because it means institutional investors now have a safe and regulated way to hold Kaspa coins. Now, the aforementioned Paul Atkins also happened to be a board member of Securitize, which has just forged a partnership with Zodia Custody. Zodia Custody will leverage Securitize's cutting-edge technology to increase custody support for asset owners who hold digital assets such as BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, or BUIDL, which is tokenized by Securitize. And with Kaspa listed on Zodia Custody, there is a link to the newly picked SEC chairman, Paul Atkins. Also, Zodia Custody is the international digital asset custodian for Marathon Digital, the biggest Bitcoin miner in the world, which in terms of crypto, next to Bitcoin, only mines Kaspa at the making of this recording. Zodia Custody is trusted by leading financial institutions, including 21 Shares, another major player in the crypto investment space. 21 Shares, the world's largest crypto ETP, exchange-traded product provider, recently made a post comparing Kaspa and Near Protocol in terms of unique features and performance metrics such as market cap, block time, TPS, transactions per second, and total transactions. While 21 Shares has not yet listed Kaspa, this comparison indicates the growing recognition of Kaspa's potential on the crypto ocean. These developments, Crypto Crew, although not so much covered on the YouTuber sphere, to me are just as, or if not more bullish than news about a Tier 1 exchange listing, as I believe the biggest growth for Kaspa is long-term, specifically with institutional adoption. Kaspa may not be known to the normie investors and the mainstream at the moment, yet the big players in the investment and crypto industry are certainly keeping an an eye on Kaspa. This is why Kaspa maxis like myself do not get stuck in the moment seeing Kaspa moving sideways even while other cryptos are pumping. Kaspa's time to shine will come. The catalysts, which are many, are still to unfold. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. In order to make the most out of this 2024-2025 bull run, crypto crew, you need to make picks based on conviction before mass adoption whilst employing long suffering or patience. And not only so, but we glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean, grow in grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say aye.